Hi guys, it's Matt with Main Street Company. It's New Year's coming up. We have a lot of requests on how do you cook a lobster tail and stuff like that. So here, I'm going to show you the way that I usually do it in our kitchen at home. So pretty simple. This is a little 4-ounce tail that we have here, cold water tail. What we do is have it defrosted. Take scissors right down that back shell here. I like to make a little V cut like this. Once you get down to the fins, I'm going to kind of crack this open here. And then there's a little membrane in between the meat. Slide your finger through there. Grab that meat out and close that shell back up and set the meat back on that shell. So clean up any of the shell pieces that you got on there. So it looks like so. See this piece come out a little bit further. And then you have a nice display here where you cook it with a fillet and stuff like that with our specials going on. What I like to do is we'll put it in a pan then. Kind of fan these fins out. You can actually put one under the other. So it makes it look like you're cooking at a fancy restaurant here. And then what we do is take a little melted butter, base that on there. And then we have a spice blend. This is just salt, black pepper, garlic powder, parsley, and then I'm going to sprinkle some lemon juice on there. Kind of put that on there for some good color. And just like that, 425 in the oven, 12 to 15 minutes. You want to cook that internal temp to 145 in the center. But again, we do have these fillet. We have 2 8-ounce fillets, 2 4-ounce lobster tails, and 2 twice big potatoes. Super easy to do at your house. Just ask us, and I can kind of explain it better if you don't understand the video. Thanks a lot.